$300 for this storage right here. Can't really say that I necessarily saw anything. There was only so many units today, and I needed something to sell this weekend for a garage sale. And so, boom, this is what happened. This unit, 300 bucks. Let's see what we got here. All right, clippers. That's what, 10 bucks? Tape. Nice little cross. Some incense. Some razors. Nice little set of crystal. Okay, how do we get this open? Somebody really likes dominoes because we got several things of dominoes. The most intriguing things you can ever find in a storage is a wood box. It's all brass and copper. Costume jewelry. A Diamondback mountain bike. Looks to be in operable shape. 40 bucks. Get one of them rattan. What the hell you call those? Not an ottoman. I'm drawing a blank. Ooh, some extension cords. That's not bad. That's about a $15 extension cord inside of a $10 to $15 ice chest. Now, anybody who knows the pirate knows my favorite things in this world. Well, one of my favorite things are trunks. I never know what I'm gonna find in one. Huh, wouldn't that be nice if that was real? Wouldn't that be nice if that was real? You could tell right off the bat that's not real. It's broken. We got some real solid kitchen stuff here. Clothes. A blanket. We got a fur. A jacket. A President Obama shirt. Got a couple lamps here. Those might be the lamp shades up top inside these plastic bags. Got a pole lamp right here. This is what I'm talking about. Those are definitely lamp shades right there. These are almost impossible to sell anymore, but we got one, so we're going to try. A couple of blankets, bags of pillows. It's a little part of America, Wonder Bread. Weird little tchotchkes, Holy Bible. That will be given away to the first person who asks about it. bathroom rugs, another Bible, some speakers, a stereo. Some wine glasses. Wine. Maybe $10. We got three nice little tables here. Shoes. Thing for hair. Some wannabe jewelry. Makeup. It's all costume. I don't see any gold, any silver. I don't see any expensive costume. Three of these nice little IKEA ottomans. These are worth $15-20 a piece, I imagine. Got some clothes. Got a metal dooley daughter. This is a curtain rod. Got a nice little cabinet here. That's worth $20 probably, maybe 10. $5 or $10 there. Then we got a little stand. This is the headboard footboard for the bed. Here we got a bunch of dooley daughters and steamer hoppers and air model firearm, a G2. We got some almost Uggs here. They don't have a brand on them, but they're well taken care of. Maybe 10. Some sweaters. Sweater season's coming. Clothes. And we got a bunch more clothes, all bagged up nicely. Some leather jackets. Those should be $10 a piece on the leather. What we got in here is some more clothes. And we got a fishbowl. Fish bowls are making a comeback. Now, did she leave all of her jewelry and money in the dresser? Is the dresser empty? What do we think? Stop and think. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, we got clothes. Clothes, bras, clothes, clothes, and clothes. This is a dusty bag of pillows right here. Got here is a want-to-be Louis Vuitton bag, dusty, $10-15. One pair of halfway decent boots. Boots are making a comeback. Chocolate coins. Oy vey. As a pirate, that is not the coin collection that I'm looking for. Wah, wah, wah. toothbrushes, those will need at the house. Wires. CDs, bootleg movies, nail polish, chess pieces. Yikes. Here we got the top half to that one cabinet, actually the bottom half, because this is the side that goes in the ground that you can tell is water damaged. It's like living room decor. Phone charger for Android. Some pennies. Clock, pillow. Very trivial. Christmas stuff. I can see myself enjoying those, right? Another Bible or no? We got a Obama plate that we sell. Here at Storage Auction Pirate, we don't do politics. Politics is what it is. We just let it be. Everyone's a winner in my eyes. Dishes, dish set. So, a lot of regular little chase, lounge, ottoman, doomajigger. $25 right there. And we got a bed. Bed looks to be in decent shape. Doesn't look too conditioned, doesn't look too dirty. No stains. That's probably the nicest thing in the unit here is the bed. That, my friends, is mouse poop, because the mouse probably walked up that to get up top. Then we got some artwork here that was in the unit. It's a mirror. It's my outfit of the day. Work shoes. You can look at that. See that little... Oh, it's gone. I had a big old bruise there from hurting myself for a little bump. It's my favorite shirt, you could see from the intro of the video. Love wearing it. We got a nice little picture of giraffes and a woman feeding giraffes. Over here we have some nice little Tier 1 imports style artwork, home decor. Always a lovely thing to sell at the garage sales. This is a big one. The two you just saw, those are matching ones, so it was not one big one there. And we got a clock. That's $15-20. Nice little picture of flowers. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of everything that I've seen. I mean, I've opened up every box and looked at it. There doesn't seem to be any hidden surprises. It's a bunch of regular stuff. I personally don't feel that I found any real treasures in this unit. Being as we're having a garage sale this week, and we got a lot of regular stuff that will sell at a garage sale. It's not always what you buy, it's what you spend. I paid $300 for this. So the bed is probably $75 to $100, the dresser's $40, the artwork is probably $80 to $100 altogether, the chair is $20, tons of clothes, $5, $1, $10 bills. I think there's somewhere between $600 and $900 in sales here. You know, that's not bad.